That the state government has no plan to set up another state university. Talking to reporters after the cabinet meeting, Sangma said that it is after 50 years that they have come up with a state university, adding that the state university actually should have happened a long time back. Chief Minister said that they will first try to stabilize the current one and then may think of a second one. It may be mentioned that Meghalaya's first state university, Captain Williamson Sangma State University, named after the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya, is set up at a scenic campus in Balalgre village, southwest Garo Hills.
For 50 years, we've come out with a state university now, so I understand that as we doing things, the expectations always go up. But the state university actually should have happened a long time back. So it has started now. And of course, we will be, for the first part, we'll be having the campus or the office of the state university in Shillong also. But right now, going up with another university at the state level, that's not in the cards right now. There's a lot of financial impact and so many other factors we have to look into. And obviously, if we have to first start the current one, then maybe we can think of the second one. So